Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel. This is Oma Porch Makeover. Today I'm going to be showing how to make Gele DIY on yourself. The theory is 2080. I'm using Ashoke 90 inches long and by 4 layers wide. So you set the Ashoke to 80, 20, short hand 20 and the long hand 80. So I'm trying to set it. You make the pleats the same pleat both on the left and on the right. You place the ashoke on your head from behind, so you make the pleats. So now I have 4 pleats. If you can't make the pleat on your head, you make it on your leg, anyhow that is convenient for you. Just make the pleats. So that's what I'm doing. You make the pleats. Don't mind my countenance, I'm trying to talk to my girl. You make the same pleats both on the left and on the right. If you have 4 pleats on the left, then you make 4 pleats on the right. And make sure the pleats are equal, the same size. That's when the beauty of the gele will come out. So you follow the pleats on the left. You carry the whole of the fabric and cross it in front. So you cross. You make sure the V is at the center of your head. You set it to the center of your head. Then you make the pleats. Make sure the pleats are equal both on the left and right. And make sure the head tie is on your hair, both ears. The V shape should be at the center of your head. At the center of your head. So you make the pleat all the way to the back. You keep making the pleats. I'm just trying to set it. So you make the pleat all the way to the back. I'm going to show you the back. You take the whole fabric to the back. Open up so you can see what you're working with. You open so you can see what you're working with. So that's it. This is what you have. Then you carry the whole of the fabric, place it on the pleats that you have made before. But make sure it's firm and make sure it's at the center of your head, the V shape. I'm trying to pull to ensure it's firm. If you have someone around, you can ask them to hold for you. But I actually want to do it by myself in case you don't have anyone around. So you can learn how I did it by myself without anyone's help. So after setting, you carry. As you can see, you carry all the way to the left side. Then you take it to the back to tie. Please note, tie only the tip end of the gele. Like I used to say in my other videos, tie only the tip end of the gele, so you have something to work with. I'm just trying to make sure I have V shape in front and I have it at the center of my head before tying. So that's what I'm trying to do. You set it well, you take it all the way to the back, then you tie. So now I'm going to tie. You tie the small end, the short end, that's the leftover of the 20, then the 80, you tie together. Please tie very well to secure before you continue your pleats. And make sure you tie at the center of the neck at the back. So that's it. Then you turn to the front and you continue making the pleat. This is where you have the work. So you make the pleats. You pleat all of the fabric, the whole of the fabric, to form the round shape. Set it well and keep pleating. So just continue to watch how I pleat the whole of the fabric from the beginning to the end. So just watch. Keep pleating. Keep pleating one after the other. Don't rush it. Take your time. Keep pleating it. So you pleat the whole of the fabric, like I said. I'm on it. This will take your time. Please be patient. Even I, in the video, my hand was aching. I had to rest a bit. So you have to take your time, because I want to pleat the whole of it. I want it to come out like a bridal gele. Beautiful bridal V-shape gele. So I have to take my time and pleat the whole of the fabric, one after the other. Then I made sure the pleats are close. You pull out from behind so you have excess to work with, like you have enough fabric to work with. Just pull out from the end. You have enough fabric to work with. Keep pleating till you pleat the whole of the fabric. You work with your index and your thumb to make pleats. If you don't know, just keep doing it. So now you have to pleat all the way to the back. You extend the pleat to the back. That's when your shape will come out. That's the shape of the gele. So you have 2 knots behind. You have to open 1 knot. I'm trying to set again, because if you tie, you might not be able to set again. So you set it well before you tie. So that's what I'm doing, as you can see. So now you open one of the knots, then you tie on the extension of the pleat at the back. That's the pleat that you brought all the way to the back. This is it. You pleat it, then you tie on it. You have 2 knots. You open one and tie on the pleat. Then you set. My hand, I had to stretch my hand. It was aching. So now all you do is set. You set the whole of the pleat and make sure you have beautiful pleats, beautiful well laid pleats. Take your time, like I'm doing. Do it one after the other. Keep setting. Set until you are okay with what you have. Keep setting the pleat. Make sure no one is hidden and they are all properly laid. And when you tie your gele well, it's fluffy. You can move it like I'm doing. You can push it up, you can push it to the side to bring out a very nice shape. So that's what I have. You can see the front is properly laid. If you have this, I can bet it with you. If you are a makeup artist and you know how to tie this, you're good to go. Either for a bride or a party rocker. If you're tying on yourself, you're also good to go. If you have this, everybody will look at you at the party and envy your gele. I can bet that. So now you secure with a pin. You wrap it well because the back has to be neat as well. You wrap it well, then you secure with a pin. So that's it. Both the back and the front is beautiful. So if you like my video, kindly thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you get notification of other upcoming videos. Then you can watch my old videos too. I have quite some videos that you can watch, interesting ones. So that's the end of my video. That's the back view and the front view. Please kindly thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and expect my next video on Friday. Thank you.